My name is Keara Rodrigues. I study in Doha College. I am from Goa. I love dancing and I love gardening. Well, gardening has always been a hobby for both me and my family. Earlier, living in an apartment, we never had any means to have a full-fledged garden. 3 years ago, we moved into this villa, and together as a family, we put together this beautiful garden. We have many plants like tomatoes, aloe veras, cactuses, rich gourd, herbs, then you have mint leaves and many other flowers. Gardening is something that you can do if you have interest in it. So after school, in the morning, whenever I have free time, it's just something that makes me happy, so I make time for it. My main inspiration for gardening would be my own family. Back home in India, we have a full garden full of many vegetables. The joy that you get when you remove a fruit from your garden and you get to share it with family and friends, it's just amazing, and it's a tradition that my dad and I would always want to carry on. People think that doing gardening in Doha is a difficult task because of the weather. Trust me, it's not. You can see all the beautiful plants in our garden. You just have to water it, take care of it, love it, talk to it. Think of it like you're another child. Remember, one plant makes a difference. It doesn't take any time. I know you can do it. Let's all make Qatar green. I love Qatar.